Hello and welcome to Down Under Visa. I'm registered migration agent Jeff Harvie, and Down Under Visa is the premier Australian migration agency here in Manila, Philippines. I'll be explaining more about Down Under Visa and some of the visa applications we can help you with in this video series. And what's more, this will be done in English and in Tagalog with the help of my daughter Remy. So please enjoy, and please go to www.downundervisa.com.au. That's www.downundervisa.com.au and complete a free online visa assessment form. Hope we can help you to make your dreams come true. Australian tourist visas, also known as visitor visas. Need a tourist visa to Australia from the Philippines? Australian tourist visa, also known as visitor visa, commonly called holiday visas too, travel visas, visa 600s, or very often just a simple tourist visa. Well, actually they are not a simple visa application as many imagine, although many assume otherwise, that such a visa application will be a mere formality and are shocked when it is refused. Anyone who is not an Australian citizen requires a visa to enter Australia. No visa, no entry. This especially applies to tourist visa applications and Australian tourist visas, because many believe they are easy and quick, are the preferred choice of those dishonest and non-genuine visa applicants who intend to overstay in Australia to work illegally on the black market. So if you are a genuine visitor visa applicant, you need to prove that you are not intending to overstay and breach visa conditions. Successfully getting a tourist visa from Philippines to Australia. Refusal of tourist visa applications to Australia from the Philippines and other less affluent countries is surprisingly common. There are a lot of scams and clever schemes designed to trick the embassy, often sadly encouraged by Filipino travel agents or by well-meaning family and friends, or from the various online advice forums and Facebook groups. Fortunately, Down Under Visa know all of the urban myths and are familiar with all of the dreadful advice about what to say and what visitor visa requirements are supposedly necessary, and we can keep you on the straight and narrow path to an honest tourist visa grant. If you are a genuine visitor, i.e. you want to go to Australia for a short visit for tourism purposes or to visit friends or family, we stand a great chance of getting you a tourist visa from Philippines to Australia. Note that visitor visas for recreation, holidaying, sightseeing and seeing Australia as a genuine tourist are less common from the Philippines due to the costs involved, which are often out of reach to the average Filipino, which the embassy case officers know only too well. But please ask us and be assured of an honest appraisal of your case. Our greatest successes, in fact we have exceptional success rates, are with the Australian Filipina couples who meet and fall in love and want her to visit Australia to enhance their relationship. In other words, to see if she likes Australia and if she will be happy there with her Australian man on a permanent basis, and to visit friends and relatives of the Australian sponsor. If you are a Filipino lady or a Filipino man in a genuine loving relationship with an Australian, or if you are an Australian who wants their love partner from the Philippines to visit you, then please use the free assessment form at the top of the page. We have a very high success rate with genuine visa applicants and have had thousands of visa grants over the years, particularly where they have met in person as a sign of their commitment to each other. How to apply for an Australian tourist visa with your Philippines passport. So if you are a genuine visitor from the Philippines, especially if you want to spend time with your Australian boyfriend or girlfriend, or an Australian fiancé, or spouse, or even a family member, then we can help you by preparing a visa application which is complete and honest and which meets the regulations in Australian migration law. We can give you precise visa requirements for an Australian tourist visa that are right for your situation, and we can then check those visa requirements that you send us for correctness. We are thorough and we are absolutely honest. No lies or scams, and no promising a fast visa grant. Yes, we lodge Australian visa applications online with our business IMI account, but that doesn't make it go faster. There are no clever schemes to fool the authorities. Our success rate is very high, all without ever telling lies. And what's more, we won't take you on as a client unless we believe you will be successful. Australian tourist visa pros and cons. Pros: less complicated visa application compared to partner visas. Much cheaper than a partner visa. May extend the stay by applying for a further onshore visa application later. Ideal for not yet committed couples, as it is only temporary. It's possible to be granted a multiple entry tourist visa. In most cases, it's possible to apply for further onshore visas, example partner visas. Onshore tourist visas are entitled to bridging visas if not granted before the existing visa runs out. Cons: applications are assessed subjectively. In other words, there is a higher risk of refusal if the case officer is not convinced that you are a genuine applicant. The higher number of cheats who abuse the system and make it harder for honest applicants. It is designed for visiting and not for maintaining a relationship. In other words, it is a poor substitute for a partner visa. You may not work ever on a tourist visa. There's no Medicare coverage and very limited study opportunities and high education costs.